In this video, we're going to analyze Anzai-sensei's quote from Slam Dunk. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
"最後まで希望を捨てちゃいかん。諦めたらそこで試合終了だよ."
So today's quote is 諦めたらそこで試合終了だよ。諦めた is the tough form of 諦める meaning give up. Tough form of a verb followed by la means if, when, or after, depending on the context. For example, 日本に行ったら何をしたいですか？ 12時になったらランチを食べる。学校が終わったらまっすぐ帰る。So, 諦めたら means when you give up. そこで means at that point in time. It's used in response to the statement mentioned before or the situation that happens before. For example, 沸騰したらそこで火を止める。そこで終わり。試合 means a game or match. 終了 means an end. It's the same meaning as 終わり, but 終了 is more technical and official than 終わり. And 試合終了 is often used as a word meaning the end of the match. For example, 試合終了まであと5分しかない。試合終了のホイッスルが鳴った。だよ is combined with だ attached to a noun or na adjective, and the sentence ending particle よ used to make the listener aware of the information. So, 諦めたらそこで試合終了だよ means when you give up, that's when the game is over. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.